Rumor has it that is used when you're telling someone what people say or what a story says about something or someone. Examples. Rumor has it that she married him for the money. Rumor has it that he left her for a much younger woman. Rumor has it that Fred and Katie have already gotten married. Rumor has it that his company is going to be bankrupt. Rumor has it that the reason why she went abroad is that she got pregnant. Rumor has it that she will divorce her husband. Rumor has it that she got the promotion because she used her father's influence. Rumor has it that they're selling the house and are moving to the countryside. Rumor has it that if he hadn't resigned, the company would have fired him. Rumor has it that Caitlin is the only daughter of a very wealthy man in a small town.